What a beautiful day, Thursday. I want to say thank you and welcome for all of the people that are here with us. And today I got a very unique information that I want to share with you that the world are not talking about. Okay? And in fact, we are involved with one of the greatest industries of all time. I want to say thank you to Donna to be here, Liz, everybody. Certainly, thank you so much, you guys. Now, first of all, what I would like to address is I want to share with you something so you really know exactly what is up to. Okay, there's a lots of things that happen as you're talking about online system. Okay, business and all things with that nature. I have searched something over here. I'm going to share with you right now. Just a moment, ladies and gentlemen. Let me share with you right here. This will be very short. Okay, I'm not going to take a lot of your time. If you go over here on Google and then you type XRP, right? XRP. This is basically the status, exactly what it's it will talk about. Let put it here. Predicted price. 1 second. We're having more people coming. Just a moment. All right. Now, as you can see over here, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, XRP price prediction. The XRP is actually will be the future of SMO group. Okay, gain exposure, and then of course, lots of people right now, as we're speaking, ladies and gentlemen, they are getting to this. They are getting to this crypto. Okay, this is a price prediction that they talk about right here, and I'm going to give you an example of exactly what is my conversation is all about today. We all know that the bank system have something that we call the SWIFT. And that SWIFT, it's about to change right now in the year of 2026. As you mentioned, talk about the SWIFT. That means is that this is a communication that banks does when they actually people go out there and do a transaction. But now they will change for a cryptocurrency. And one of the cryptocurrencies that we'll put in is XRP. So the XRP, they are actually right now, they are adding to the bank system. All of the banks all over the world, all right, all over the world, it will be part of this great and amazing opportunity. Do you understand? This opportunity, that means is that all the transactions worldwide, it will prefer to use, of course, the XRP. That's what they have, getting to the bank system stuff. But here's one thing that I want to share with you, which will be important for you to understand, which is exactly on how you can actually get the ability right now for you to make money. Right now, the XRP coin, it's about $1.88. Okay, I have some already saved. All right, and now some people say they could reach it to $20, as they say over here. Okay, but then, ladies and gentlemen, there's one thing that's gonna happen is that this XRP eventually could be like, for example, reaching to $1,000 or either $10,000 in the next 5 years. That's what probably happen. We have seen the president of the United States. He's already made a contract assignment with the XRP CEO because they're going to take over the SWIFT industry. The SWIFT is going to be taken over. So, ladies and gentlemen, whoever are involved, as they see over here, okay. So, at the 2025 XRPL Specs Conference, Ripple CEO and the guy in the house made it one of the most ambitious prediction in the crypto. So he said the XRP, a crypto XRP ledger could be handled about 14% of the value currently proceed by SWIFT. Okay, by the SWIFT. Ladies and gentlemen, within the next 5 years, if they are using 14%, guess what's going to happen? The crypto, where they have the value right now of $1.80, $1 something right now, this could reach to $10, $20. And they said they could reach $10 in March of next year. What is the whole point and purpose of having myself give you this information for you? It's because already being said is that if the people that don't become rich, seriously, this is very serious. If the people don't come richer in the next 5 years to 10 years, 5 to 10 years, it's going to be impossible for us to become richer. Why is they saying this? It's because the way the AI, the artificial intelligence, are moving through forward. That's exactly what it is. So the AI, together with crypto, that's the most unique thing that people will make money. Listen, don't think that Bitcoin will be the biggest forever, and it's not. Some specialist says that if you have your money over there on crypto, he said to make sure to take off, to remove. He didn't say words on which crypto, but he had the logo on it with the B, so without saying the name, so you don't get a strike over here. That's exactly what he said. Take your money from the B, from the Bitcoin, and put into a different one. Those that are going to be increased. For example, as the XRP. Lots of people in the United States of America and in all part of the world, they don't know about this change. The SWIFT from the bank, it will change. It's going to be over. This is the reset for the financial system. When you talk about the reset for the financial system, we are talking about that we're going to have some tough moment as we got into that. But if you have the XRP, okay, the cryptocurrency, they said they could have a chance to help your family for generations and generations to come. Talked with a guy yesterday, one of my friends in the US, and I was talking with him about this. And then he said it was very interesting. And then I gave him a tool. I gave him a tool in order for you to actually make some money faster with a small amount. And then, of course, get themselves, like, for example, every week buy the XRP every week. And I'm going to share with you right now exactly what we are talking about. First of all, you want to talk about this opportunity by using the AI. I'm not going to take a lot of your time, but just explain to you and tell everything about it, but I'm going to go very quickly over here, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, the bottom line is this. It's a global AI called Aureum Global AI. It's an artificial intelligence that they actually do, of course, a trade in buying and sell cryptos, and then, of course, you get a profit of that. So we have the software that it does this automatically, okay? Very excited about it. In fact, this system was launched, it was tested and launched and everything on the 5th of December of this year. We already have people making money on a day-to-day basis. We've seen people making $5 a day, $20, $30, $100, $500, and even $1,000 a day already. Let me speed up here now. It's an ecosystem that they have creating to, of course, ladies and gentlemen, to helping the people worldwide. You don't need to have the skill sets of trading. The user over here don't have to do anything. All you have to do, put your money in, choose the package which is fit better for you, and let the AI make the money for you. Here how the operation works. It works the cryptocurrency, automated trading, binary options, and of course, the digital arbitrage. We don't have to know nothing of these. All you have to do, get your package which is fit better for you. So this operation works in 24 hours with the artificial intelligence. It does everything for us, so you don't have to worry about. Everything is automatic. And of course, they're using the tool what you call the automated risk control. They're only getting into the market when is a possibility for them. When the market is good to go. So they go a little bit heavier, and then they take some out of the market and pays you. Now, the growth of the expansion, as you're talking, right now, as you speak, ladies and gentlemen, simultaneously, you already start in 100 countries. The global, okay, with the Aureum Global AI, we start in 100 countries simultaneously. Reason number one, because the network and the people that we have worldwide. And then you may ask, Charles, what is the XRP cryptocurrency that's going to, change instead of being the SWIFT to be the XRP with the cryptocurrency has to do with the Aureum Global AI. I'm going to share with you what it is. I'm going to give you guys here too, because for example, right now, as you speak, you probably wants to buy the cryptocurrency, which is, I totally suggest them to people to, of course, before you buy, do your own analysis. And same thing over here, before you get your package, do your own analysis regarding to the system, regarding to the ecosystem and everything, okay? And so now, what you're going to see over here, ladies and gentlemen, it's an opportunity second to none, okay? It's an opportunity second to none. Now, how you are going to actually get yourself a package. So you get a package from $20, package from $50, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, $2,500, and a $5,000 package. All of those packages over here will give you a benefit. When you talk about to give you a benefit, it will give you a benefit, of course, what the system does. For example, they do the trade, the buying and selling stuff, and then of course they give you a return of a 2% per day. But when I give it 2% per day, right here, that means is that many times the system do like 2 or 3 times more. That's why it pays you 2% daily. It is Monday to Friday, okay? They don't pay Saturday, Sunday. It's Monday to Friday. Basically, you get 2% on your package that you are actually getting over there, okay? That's very, 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 very nice. All right, small people coming. Thank you so much. Okay, 1 second. So basically, what you are actually seeing over here is an opportunity second to none that anybody can come here and, of course, getting the benefit of the system. Ladies and gentlemen, as you talk about the package, I'm going to give you some example on how the package will give you a benefit. Here you see is a package right on top, package value, a daily that you're getting 2% per day, 5 days that you are getting pay, and a monthly base, which will be 22 days. And then, of course, you get a 300% return based on what you have put over there as a package. On the $10 package, it will give it, on the $20 package, it will give it to you a 40 cents per day, $2 per week, and $8.80 per month. That means you are getting a 300%. You are getting $60. As you continue here with the basic package, which is the $50, they give you $1 a day and $5 a week, $22 in a month, and you get $150, of course, with the 300% that the system have offer you. And when you come into the standard, which is the $100, it give you $2 a day, $10 a week, $44 a month, and you're getting $300. You are getting 300%, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, you are making money every single day. You're gonna love about when you talk about the withdrawal, how beautiful it is. Now, when you advance, it's at $250. You get $5 a day, $25 a week, $110 per month. And then, of course, you're getting $750 on the end of your contract by getting the 300%. Perfect. On Pro, which is a 500, it just like double. So you're getting $10 per day, $50 a week. And then, of course, you're getting $220 a month by getting $1,500 at the end of your contract with the 300%. We get the Elite, with the $1,000 one. This is one of the ones that I have on my account. Okay, it gives you $20 a day. It gives you $100 a week and $440 a month. Okay, so it gives you a total of $3,000. Give you a 300%. And we have the Master, which is a $2,500. It gives you $50 per day, $250 a week, $1,100 per month by giving to you $7,500 in the end of your contract of a 300%. And of course, we have the Legend. So I'm working very hard of, moving myself from $1,000 going to the $2,500 and after going to the $5,000. Because on the $5,000 one, it will give you $100 a day, $500 a week, which is a good pay for a week, right? And then of course, $2,200 per month by giving you $15,000. $15,000. Ladies and gentlemen, this over here, there's something that if you apply and do that, it will do very well for you. It's what we call the compounding interest. Let's say, for example, okay, you got some money coming. Of course, the only thing you can do on your account as you see money over there, you can withdraw only. You can only withdraw. You take the money, you receive in your wallet. If you want to upgrade, buy, register another package, okay, or upgrade, whatever, you must make sure you withdraw the money, okay? The system actually, they only let you doing an upgrade, okay? They only let you go doing an upgrade of getting the next package. So, and then as you do the compound interest, of course, you can even make it from 300, making 400, 500, 600, if you do a compound. In other words, if you leave the money over there for at least, for example, 90 days, for at least 90 days, I can say to you that you're going to start your year differently, okay? So when you have this factor over here making money, and one thing that you do, you do this, you withdraw the money, okay? You put the money back into the system by upgrading. Not only that, you want to buy some XRP. The reason number one you want to buy the XRP, it's because I want to explain to you guys that they're going to increase in value. It will move from $1.80. It will reach by March, it will be $10. Imagine how much money you can make just on that. So you want to make sure you save that. You can open up your wallet on a Binance, Coinbase, etc. Other different ones. Okay, even that. The Coinbase, they can even give you a card if you want to, all right? A physical card, they send to your house. I have it. And not only that, you can use your app over there, your card app, so to personally do anything that you want. That's one thing. And then, of course, eventually, Aureum Global AI, you could probably add the XRP as a process payment over here too, as the option for those that they like that functionality. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the best opportunity that I have seen right now. This is the best opportunity. Let's jump on to talk about the binary. Right here, ladies and gentlemen, when you talk about the binary, we actually share with you is that the system pays you on two sides of the organization. I mean, in one side of the organization. First of all, you have to make sure that you register yourself right here. And then introducing two people. You're looking for people that need help, for people that want to make money. Okay, so if we have a 1,500 points in one side, which is the right side, and on the left side you have 1,000 points, so that means you are earning $100 because the system will pay you, okay, 10% as direct referral. 10%, okay, 10%, which is really good. So in other words, the more people will bring in, the more money you're going to be making. But at the same time, I know that some people will say, you know what, I need to bring the people with the big money. No, really. Bring the people with the $20. Bring the people with the $50. You can start small, but think big. When you start into duplicating all of that, people bring in 2, bring in 4, 5, and stuff like that, or 10, you're starting to make money daily and making more money daily. That's one of the beautiful things about this great ecosystem. Now, we talk about the Unilevel, even when people buy in a package or upgrading a package, right, or renewing a package, what's going to happen is that the system will pay you, of course, a 15%, ladies and gentlemen. They'll pay you 15% onto 6 levels deep. 10% will be for the first level, as you can see right here, all right, 10%. And then, of course, from second to a 6th level, right here, until the 6th level, the system will pay you 1%. 1%, ladies and gentlemen. Can you imagine how beautiful this thing will be when everybody's starting to renew the package? It will be beautiful. We have people right now, they are starting to the system with some good package. We don't have right now over here on a PDF, but we're going to add it. What happened is this. We get some people that have requested to add in another package. We have a package up to 5,000. So the system have adding a package of a 10K, right? 10K. They need to add it in a PDF. 10K. 10K. Probably don't need to add it. Just leave it over there in the system. But just make sure that I will share with you guys. We already get over 12 people. They got a package over $10,000. Okay? $10,000. It's a group of people that are working very hard. Very hard. Congratulations for the people that are believing and trust in this opportunity. If you're using the ability of bringing 5 people, bringing 5. We'll just give an example as you talk about on a Unilevel how much you can earn. You can actually earn very, very good. Okay? Very, very good. Thank you so much, you guys, to be here. All right. Thank you, daughter Liz, Cheryl. Long time no see you, Cheryl. Welcome. Thanks so much to be here, honey. St. Leo, thank you so much to be here. All right, Laney, Edivaldo, welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're using the power of 5 by bringing 5 people, what's going to happen over here is this. Listen to this, okay? The example we are giving over here with the $100. Listen. Looking for people that really wants to change. That's the people that we're looking for. But ladies and gentlemen, one thing that I want to share with you right now is that if you bring in 5 people, since you are getting, of course, a direct referral and all of that, all right, binary stuff. On the Unilevel over here, as give an example, everybody bringing people at 100, you already make $50 on the first level with your 5 people that you brought in. But then you don't sit down and relax. You continue to do the work with your people, with your team. Help them bring in 25 people. That gonna help you make extra $25. And you keep moving, helping the other people bring in 5, there'll be 125. You make $125. And you kept moving, right? With the 125 people, bringing more people, each one bringing 5, there'll be 625 people. That means you are getting $625. And then, of course, from 625, you are moving yourself, helping another people. Everybody bringing 5. There'll be 3,125 people. And then we get another $3,125. And as you get into 3,125 people help one another, you come to a point of having 15,625 people. Guess how much you're going to get? You're going to get $15,625. The bottom line is up to become $19,575. Okay? On the Unilevel. 6 level, 5 people. Help them only with $100. It's possible for you to make right now until the 31st of December between $5,000 to $10,000 if you focus on this. Seriously. Bringing people to $100. Those that want to duplicate. Those that want to change. We should have a list of people that you put over there on a piece of paper and search for 5 people that were able to do this. We are doing this presentation over here Monday to Friday at 1 p.m. US time, 8 p.m. South African time. And on Saturday, we do a Super Saturday, which is the same time as you do over there, the presentation. But I believe that we're going to be changing the time to do early in the morning so people actually get the chance to see the Super Saturday on in afternoon time. Okay? Continue here. Basically, the bottom line over here with the system, they actually give you the ability for you to actually earn up to 300%, which is good, right? Give up to 300%. That's include the high, the binary, and the Unilevel. So upon reach 300%, you just renew your package. Perfect. This is 3 pillars, okay? 3 bonus pillars about this system. First of all, is a 10% binary that you are getting paid, okay? You're getting 10% in the binary. And on Unilevel, you're getting 15% to 6 level. And then, of course, you get 2% daily, Monday to Friday, which is going to get up to a 300%. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the opportunity that we have. Again, one more time, make sure that you get involved over here, okay? Make sure that you get involved over here. Why? Because this system over here is completely automatically, okay? It's all automatic. You don't have to do anything. You just put your money there and you make sure you get paid. Simple as that. So I want to make sure that you will get back into the person that have invited you for this a great and an awesome presentation. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, if you see yourself difficult right now of starting a business, I'm going to say from the bottom of my heart, seriously, from the bottom of my heart, go back and start with the $20. If it is hard for you, okay, if you don't have money now, you start with $20 and you do the duplication of helping people. With your $20, you're going to make $60. Bringing 2, bringing 3, bringing 5, you're starting to duplicate. I guarantee that in 90 days, in less than 90 days, you're going to start to make about $100 to $200 per day. I guarantee. Okay? So more than that, again, one more time, the XRP, they are getting big. XRP, they are getting big, and we get much, much bigger. At this moment, I'm going to open up the mic for those that probably have any question, or if they have anything to say, please just open up your mic, please, if you have any question. Please, do you have any question? And if all do you have any question? Lainey, St. Leo, Cheryl, Dora, do you want to say anything? If you're not able to open your mic, put your hand like this, means that you need help. Do like this.
No question today.
All right, Cheryl, how you doing?
To be here on the call with you, I'm doing well, thank you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's go, guys.
Let's
The
go,
best
Liz.
opportunity.
All right.
Yeah.
I know you guys on fire over there in Kenya. Congratulations.
Yeah, we are. Thank you.
Congratulations. Thanks so much. We'll be here tomorrow again, okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen. Since nobody has a question, what I'm going to do right now, finish up our Zoom, come back tomorrow, inviting more people. And I'm going to always give you guys an update on everything that happened with the XRP, with this cryptocurrency that right now, they are totally legal to be part of the bank system where everybody you're having the benefit of buying. Even, for example, Bank of America says this week that they're asking for the clients, for the customers, okay, to actually have at least 4% of your portfolio on crypto. Listen, guess what the bank you have over there available for you? And you have the platform for you to buy the crypto, of course. It will be Ethereum, it will be a Bitcoin, it will be, of course, other cryptocurrencies. They're going to give you the option. But guess the one that people will buy? XRP. Those are going to get part of the change of the Swift bank, and it could be the cryptocurrency. So, other than that, thanks so much, you guys, and I see you at the top because at the bottom is too crowded. Bye bye.